Welcome to the first breakdown chapter where we will learn how the family trip animation was created. This is not a full step-by-step tutorial, but rather a look behind the scenes. So we will take a general look at the scene, but also some closer looks at different workflows which we haven't discussed before. The purpose of this chapter is to give you additional ideas and workflows to make your own Cubic World scenes even better. First, we will start with a general overview of how the scene was built up by inspecting what's inside the different collections. Then we will learn how the storytelling was approached in this animation and how the environment, color, lighting, camera motion and character animation supports it. After that, we dive into some practical lessons, starting with creating uneven terrain in the Cubic World style that works nicely with the pop-up animation. Next, we learn how to create animated water that consists out of cubes and how to add some water splashes with a simple particle system. Then we create animated trees that are moving in the wind but still perfectly working with a pop-up animation. To make our scenes more alive, we learn how to create a flock of animated birds using a Boyd's particle system, which can also be used to add insects to your scene. The car rig is what we will analyze next, since it has some special features like the ability to transform its wheels into legs. After that, we take a look on how the car animation was approached by dissecting it into different animation phases. Additionally, we take a brief look on how the 4 characters were animated while sitting in a moving car. To wrap it up, we take a look at the camera animation, the rendering settings and the compositing setup. In the end, you should have a solid understanding on how this family trip animation was created. And now let's get started by getting a general overview of the scene.